Let's make a biscuit without using your grandma's steps. Like, listen to this. Whew. This is actually real good. First, grab a bowl. Then you grab a bowl. Grab some butter. Take like 2 pieces of butter. Put it in another bowl. But then microwave it for only 20 seconds. Now, put your butter inside of the bowl. A 1/4 cup of brown sugar. A teaspoon of milk. 6 cups of flour. And a teaspoon of baking powder. And now we mix it until it forms a doughy consistency. Just giving it a little taste. It actually tastes like banana. When it has a doughy consistency, hold it like this and form it into a cookie shape. When you did that, grab some aluminum foil, put it into a tiny little plate, and then add your flour, dough, and put it in the microwave for 1 minute. Microwave 1 minute. And press start. And we just wait. Sorry guys, I was actually gonna smush it to make a cookie. And now I'm gonna continue. And now it's done. And if you want, grab a cup of milk. And your bun is done. Or cookie. Now, let's rest this for only 50 seconds. And there you have it, a cookie. I'm just gonna dip this into milk. Oh, tastes just like my grandma's cookies.